Okay, I bought something on TikTok and I thought I'd share it because we're all always searching for a pretty nude lip. And I loved the packaging of this lipstick. So here we go. So this liner is by Smashbox. When you are lining your lips and you have aging lips, they're thinning, they're disappearing, do not take that liner clear out here, okay? I want you to keep that liner and I want you to start about halfway. Okay, notice how I'm starting down and then lifting up into the Cupid's bow. That actually will give my lip a more lifted look. It's kind of a really cool trick, and I promise you it makes a huge difference. See that? You're not bringing the liner clear out here. You can also highlight and contour the lips as well, and that will give them an even fuller look. See how full that made my lips already. And I'm going to take this really pretty tube. It's by Re.m Beauty, and I don't know the shade. I'll put it in the description. Look how pretty it is. What do you think of that color? So pretty. Now, of course, I have to take it up just a little bit, like just a little bit extra like that. Bit of something shiny. Pretty nude lip, right? Want the details? I'll have them listed below.